How to fix your TikTok shop banned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Mistan, and today I'll guide you on how to unban your TikTok shop. Well, thanks to the website for seller here, I'm able to guide you in detail. If your TikTok shop has been deactivated or banned, there are 9 essential reasons to learn more about the issue and 2 steps to get your store back up and running. So I'll just head directly. The first step in order to get your TikTok shop unbanned is to submit your appeal. You need to log into your TikTok seller center and then tap account, health, shop health violation records, and then click the appeal link. Now the step 2 is to raise your appeal. An image of your business registration document and ID card, driver license, next to a handwritten note with your shop name and the date. A minimum of 2 of the following documents, that is warehouse documents including bank statements, warehouse address, inventory invoices. IRS documents have registered business name and address, or recent utility bills that contain your registered shop name and address. Note, you can see the note here. You can appeal a decision up to 2 times. You have 30 days to submit the first appeal and 15 days to submit a second appeal. What matters is the importance of your appeal. To appeal a violation, it is essential to provide original documentation without any modifications. If any document is edited, for example by using Photoshop to hide information, it will be considered invalid. It is advisable to take clear pictures of the necessary documents with no alterations to avoid any issue during the appeal process. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.